How to say he is a handsome guy in Chinese?
他是帅哥。
How to say he is handsome in Chinese?
他是帅。Welcome to In Chinese and for some receipts. I'm Xinyu. Many students don't know when to use 是 and when to use 很. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through the difference between 是 and 很 so that you can grasp the usage of these two words. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell to get more of my Chinese videos. Alright, let's dive right in. First, let's talk about 是. 是 is a verb which means be. There is a pattern in Chinese, the subject plus the verb plus the object. So how to say I am a Chinese? 我是中国人. Bingo! Here, 我 is the subject, 是 is a verb, 中国人 is the object. And usually, the object is a noun or a noun phrase. 我是中国人 It's a definition. It defines that I am Chinese. I'm not Korean. I am Chinese. 我不是韩国人，我是中国人。For example, I am a teacher. 我是老师。She's a beauty. 她是美女。The same goes for the longer sentences. For example, I am a good teacher. 我是一个好老师。She's a super beauty. 她是一个超级大美女。Let's do some practice. How to say you are a student? 你是学生。How to say you are an international student? 你是一名留学生。So as I mentioned, she is a beauty. In Chinese, it's 她是美女。So how to say she is very beautiful? 她是漂亮。不对 ，it should be 她很漂亮。Here, let's talk about 很。很 is an adverb, which means very. In Chinese, there is a pattern. The subject plus the adverb plus the adjective. Here's the sentence, 她很漂亮。她 is a subject, 很 is an adverb, 漂亮 is the adjective. So it's a description. It describes that she's not ugly, but beautiful. 她不丑，但是她很漂亮。Let's see some examples. I am fine. 我很好。She is very white. 她很白。The Great Wall is very long. 长城很长。So it's very clear, right? How about in real conversation?
今天我来问你一个问题，怎么说 He is a good person?
他是一个很好人，很好的人。
很好啊。那怎么说 He is good?
他是很好。他很好。
How do you always make a mistake and keep saying that a person 是 plus the adjective? Well, in Chinese, we usually translate the verb be into 是. But when we want to describe a person, for example, she's very beautiful or he's very handsome, like the structure we've mentioned, the subject plus the adverb plus the adjective. In this case, we regard the adjective as a predicate, and we don't translate the verb be. Instead, we use the adverb to modify the adjective. So here, she is very beautiful. We translate into she very beautiful. 她很漂亮。He is very handsome is he very handsome. 他很帅。For example, this is a tomato. 这是一个西红柿。This tomato is yummy. 这个西红柿很好吃。This is a cup of coffee. 这是一杯咖啡。 This cup of coffee is very hot. 这杯咖啡很烫。他是一个演员，他很有魅力。哇，好帅呀！Before we do some practice, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me thumbs up. Practice 1. Please describe this cucumber by using 是 and 很。这是一根黄瓜，这根黄瓜很新鲜。Practice 2. Please describe Xinyu by using 是 and 很。新宇是一名老师，新宇很漂亮。
A is a handsome guy. 他是很帅的人。Very good. 文杰 is absolutely handsome.
文姬确对是为
很好，非常帅。
会成帅。
She is beautiful.
她是美女，
She is beautiful.
她很漂亮。
非常好。
这是什么？
是香蕉。这是香蕉。
这是香蕉，
非常好。香蕉很怎么样？
很美，
很美，
很好吃，很好吃啊，非常好。
By the way, I've heard the sentence 她是最漂亮的。Here, the verb 是 and the adjective 漂亮 appear at the same time. Why is it correct? Good question. Because there is not only 是 but 的 in the sentence. So, 是 something 的 is a structure in Chinese to describe things. So we can put the adjective inside. For example, 这个西红柿是甜的，这条裙子是新的。Let's do some practice. 这杯咖啡 Your turn. 这杯咖啡是苦的。Got it. One more question. This sentence. 她很漂亮。很 is the adverb, which means very. And we've also learned that 非常 is very. So can we say 她非常漂亮? Absolutely. The pattern is the subject plus the adverb plus the adjective. So you can make sentences with all of this kind of adverbs. For example, 新鱼不漂亮，新鱼很漂亮，新鱼非常漂亮，新鱼特别漂亮，新鱼贼漂亮。That's all for today. Let's review what we've learned today. First, the structure of subject plus 是 plus a noun or a noun phrase is a definition. For example, 我是中国人，你是一个留学生。Second, the structure of subject plus 很 plus adjective is a description. For example, 她很漂亮，长城很长。Third, the structure of subject plus 是 plus adjective plus 的 is used for describe things. For example, 这个苹果是甜的，它是最漂亮的。Number 4, we've learned the structure of the subject plus the adverb plus the adjective. Instead of using 很, we also can use other adverbs to describe things. For example, 新鱼不漂亮，新鱼非常漂亮。Now I've got a question for you. 变态 means pervert. In Chinese, 他是变态 and 他很变态. Both sentences are correct. So, why? Leave your answer in the comment area. I will check them. Well, if you think my video can help you learn Chinese, why don't you be a blessing and share it with a friend? I appreciate you and I wish you the very best in your life. I'm Xinyu. See you next time. 么么哒。
叫什么名字？
苏开然，香蕉是黄色的。文体是有个圆点。非常好，非常好。
她是美女。应该 哦，sorry，